You receive the dehumidifier. You have to install this dehumidifier as far away as possible from the replenishment air. From this, let's say it could be a second floor entrance where air can come through, and then as far as possible from that place, so the air will be cleared between this unit and the source of replenishment air. You have a motor that's, you don't need to do anything to the motor, just put it on the floor level as close as possible to the floor. Connect this with provided clamps, and then the other end connect to the vent provided and put it outside. It's a similar installation as your dryer vent. It's 4 inches, and then plug the unit into the provided dehumidifying humidistat. Set up the humidity level, and you're all set.